Welcome back, everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about tables. So, what is a table? Well, a table is basically a bunch of rows and columns where we can put data. So let's go ahead and let's make a table. It's pretty simple. So we need to open a tag, and the tag is going to be table. And I'm not going to close these tags off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push table, and then I'm going to push TR, which stands for table row. And then I'm going to push another tag called TD. Now you notice how I'm not closing the tags off, and I'm just going to call this table data for now, or maybe just table. So what we're going to do is we'll also push slash and push table. Okay. Now as you can see here, there's no table on the screen here, and the reason is that we haven't added a border. So what we're going to do is we're going to put table border, and we're going to make this equal to 10. Simple enough. Okay. Now, of course, we have to close off these tags as well. So we're going to have to push slash tr and then slash table. And there we go. That is how we made a table. I'll see you guys next time.